How to add music to Facebook story. Now, in order for you to add music to your Facebook story, all you have to do is to tap on this create story right here and add a photo or a video that you want to add music to. Let's say a photo right here. Let's say this one right here. Now, if you want to add a music to your Facebook story or search up a music that'll fit the contents that you want to post on your Facebook story, all you have to do is to tap on this music icon right here. And now you can search up music on your Facebook story. Let's say this one right here. And now if you heard this specific song and you want to use it to your Facebook story, you can just click on that. Or if you want to save it for later, all you have to do is to tap on this three dots right here and click on save audio right here. Now to add this to our Facebook story, all we have to do is to tap on this one right here. Now after that, all you have to do is to share this to your story right here. So that's how to add music to Facebook story. Hope we help.